Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use split screen feature on iPhone after iOS 26 update. So guys, if you want to use split screen feature or you want to split screen on your iPhone to use multiple apps like this, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, as you can see this, I am using the YouTube on the upper side, and in the bottom I am using my Facebook, and I can log in my Facebook account here to use Facebook. So guys, if you also want to split screen on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, this is very basic and simple, you can easily do this. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then go to screen time, and from here scroll it below and tap on content and privacy restrictions and turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions from here, and then go to App Store and search here for split screen. So guys, here you can see this, simply search for split screen, and after this you have to simply download and install this split screen and dual window app on your iPhone. So guys, simply install this app, and after this open this app and wait here for some seconds. And from here you can see you can use multiple apps from here. You can use Facebook from here, and you can use YouTube from here. So guys, you can see this, you can do this to your iPhone as well. So guys, this is the way to use or split screen on your iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.